What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today we're just going to unbox the Mic Air Insta 360. So this is their little Bluetooth mic for your Insta 360 and your Insta 360 Pro 2, your Insta 360 Ace 2 and your Insta 360 Ace Pro 2. I picked this up off of Amazon, and we're just going to get this unboxed and check it out and test it out with my Insta Ace Pro 2. I felt like this will come in handy because I didn't want to connect a big old microphone to my Insta Ace Pro 2 for when I'm out and about doing what I need to do. So I ended up picking this up. You get your instruction manual. I don't need that. Then in the inside here, you do get a nice, lovely carrying case for your device. Just gonna get that open like so. And in the inside here, you are greeted with the lovely microphone that is so tiny. To me, that's small, but that's cool. This also has a clip to where you can clip it on your shirt, or put one magnet in your shirt, because this is magnetized and it will sit just like that. And this is actually what I was looking for. That is a strong magnet too. This is what I was looking for, so I wouldn't have to worry about carrying around a microphone or connecting a microphone. I could just get this connected right up to my Insta Ace 360 and keep it moving. And then over here you do get a little wind muff ring, so if you're out and about and it's going to be windy, you can just put that on like so, and that is how that will look right there. That is a nice look, but right now we do not need that. And you also get your charging cable, but that sucks, this is not USB-C. So if you want to charge this, you would have to just connect this in here, let it sit in there, and then plug this up to the wall and get that going. So first, let's get this bad boy connected. Let me grab my Insta Ace Pro 2. Okay, so this is my Insta Ace Pro 2. As you can see, I'm just going to cut it on like so. And then we're going to go to my settings. You don't need to see me right now, but we're going to go into my settings, go into the settings. And then we're going to slide all the way until you see this AirPods. And it is going to search for the earbuds, for the microphone. First, I have to cut it on. I hope it has some kind of power to it. And it does. So now we get that blinking light to let me know that it is in pairing mode. So I'm going to hit retry so we can see if we can get a connection going. It says it is searching. Okay, as you can see, just like that, it has picked up the connection, and it's called the Insta 360 Mic Air. I'm going to hit connect. And just like that, it says Bluetooth headphones, mini microphone enabled to use multiple mics enabled. I'm going to hit enable now. Dual track audio, when enabled, multi mics record audio. The video will use Bluetooth audio by default, but you can mix the audio. I don't want to do that, but we are connected. But you can hit connect if that's something that you want to do. And then you can go back, and it should let you know that this is good and connected. So I'll be right back with actually testing it out on my Insta Ace Pro 2. Okay, now I'm back. So this is me currently using the Insta 360 Mic Air on my Insta Ace Pro 2. So just let me know what you feel about how it sounds. I know it's gonna look good, but let me know what you think about the sound. Like I said, I really was interested in picking this up for this kind of purpose, so when I'm out and about, I don't have to worry about having a big camera. I'm just able to, a big microphone, I'm just able to use this little mic right here, get footage and do what I need to do. Like I said, let me know what you think in the video below, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.